Hi friends, my name is Rubeya Traf. Today we will hack the Google Chrome Dino game. It is a very interesting video. Let's start. But please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new videos. Okay? Please subscribe. Okay? Let's start first. Let's start. First of all, open Google Chrome. Okay, open your Google Chrome. Yeah, then does not need then just type CHROME Chrome, then clone / dino. Press enter. Let's play a match. Oh, yeah. If you are noob like me in this game, don't worry. Don't worry, because we are programmers. That's why does not need to do. Just right click on the mouse and click inspect, or type Ctrl Shift I. Okay, then type console. Let's start our coding. We just need a one line of JavaScript code. Okay. First type runner dot instance underscore dot gameplay. Sorry, game over. Game over equals to, first of all, game over is a function which Google makes. Okay, we just customize our game over function, customize the game over function. Okay, game over equals to, just type first bracket equals to, then greater than, then second bracket, start second bracket, start close second. Sorry, copy this. Sorry, runner dot, not slash, dot instance dot gameplay. Yeah, then press enter. Okay, then let's start it. You do not need to do, just sit on your chair and just sit. Our game is automatically running. Yeah, that's all. After this, your game will be automatically running. Okay, we just customize the Google's game over function, which means if you refresh the page, then play, then out, this game over function. We just customize our game over function, then we just customize it with blank function. Okay, that's all. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. Please like the video and join our Telegram channel. That's all. Bye bye.